Welcome to OE Systems International. We are the OE people. We work with the world's most progressive manufacturing companies to increase capacity, reduce costs and drive continuous improvement. Our unique record of combining our PerformOEE Smart Factory Software with our science and manufacturing methodology delivers powerful real-time control and visualization of your manufacturing processes. Your manufacturing process incorporates process control and continuous improvement, driving cultural and technological transformation. It is this evolving transformation that is at the heart of Industry 4.0, directing smart factory initiatives. I'm Andrew Rice, and I'd like to share with you how PerformOEE Smart Factory Software, combined with the principles from our science and manufacturing methodology, guarantees your success regardless of whether you're looking to control, improve or transform your business. Control is the beginning of any continuous improvement journey. We give you this control by combining our PerformOEE Smart Factory Software with our science and manufacturing methodology. PerformOEE highlights your performance issues in real time, and our methodology empowers your team to respond in the right way. As your team becomes more proactive, issues are managed more effectively or eliminated entirely. PerformOEE presents you with one version of factual data that becomes the trusted source of reporting for your business. PerformOEE obtains data from your entire manufacturing process, correlating historical with real-time information to convey the whole story. The control phase of your OEE continuous improvement journey gives you the most solid of foundations to improve and transform your manufacturing operations. With PerformOEE and adopting the principles of one team, one version, whole story and follow the data, your stakeholders will reap the benefit of significant and sustainable productivity improvement. Our customers agree. Combining our PerformOEE Smart Factory Software with our science and manufacturing methodology instills the confidence and enthusiasm needed to progress your business further.